Me know.
How you know that?
I know.
How do you know that?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna give me one big well for my body.
We say you know like oats, so oats.
6 stomach with me.
So you want to eat it raw?
One time I never like it.
Then I see how you like when you boil cookie.
One time I never like it.
So you drink oats porridge.
Yeah, no. One time I never like it.
So you eat it raw
One
like
time
this?
you put, yeah. Just mix it and just pour everything on that put in and just sit down and eat it raw like that. I
Ew.
drink a whole heap of water after. Like when you know my belly is dissolved in there.
Disgusting.
I can't pick up a silent time until they used to work and we're going to spend holiday and we're going to have one pot of oats porridge like this in my make to the whole, to drink to the whole day till it come forward.
Yeah.
Sometimes when it comes and when you want pot of porridge just be there wait for now. Jeffrey alone drink all time. I just find some foolishness on him.
Calming porridge, you never like. I used to like calming porridge. But we used to eat.
So by the way, you going to want rum cake?
No. Unless the rum not in there.
Anybody will. If anybody wants cake to buy. Well, rum sesame here put in there. I want sesame here in my cake.
Wine.
Oh yes. Oh, you try to stay away from wine and rum? I get it, Sika. I
You get what? You get what?
Yeah, the whopper and chunky.
What? What are you talking about? Because I stay away from rum and wine?
You will love rum cake, so?
When I was pregnant with Jenny, I eat rum cake like crazy. You forget?
Well, we will all see.
You forget?
And I'm not me high to come.
What you? Yeah, Jenna. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that?
Mommy, I got one next chunky. Yeah.
Don't say that. Don't say that to the kids. What you? Exactly. Tell them to stop. But on seriousness though, are you gonna have another baby?
Me know.
How do you know that?
I know.
How do you know that?
I know.
Don't say anything to the kids though. Not really tell them.
I know.
How do you know that? Just because I say me not eat wine? How do you know
I
that?
know.
How do you know that?
Tell us already.
Oh, you could tell me from the other day.
You know what you said?
Oh, you could tell me one. How you not tell me?
Yeah, man. I'm going to give you one big well for my body.
Okay.
Like your son.
What?
I see come here and eat with that, so to me, say, you sure you're not going to
Why?
I said, no.
I don't believe that they mess something there.
Oh.
Boil. I don't believe that
I
there's
couldn't
something.
even lie down for my body. Serious?
You believe? Yeah, serious?
Me no.
You believe boil?
I would have to say to you, maybe if I say to you now, makes sense. I'm only the truth.
You said to me other day.
I was going to say to you.
Why?
For some reason.
For some reason. Why?
Me no know, me just have it in my head.
So why would you have it in the head out of nowhere?
Out of nowhere, me have
Out of nowhere?
don't worry, say one next time me I go talk.
One next time, now I'm going to hear me by one next time. For one next time.
Me I go talk. now.
One
Me I
next
go talk.
time?
Me know.
There's not going to be one next time.
I will you that house and me I said to myself, say, you know say that I go on a whoop around next
You know say that I go on, or you know say that I go on?
You know say don't.
Mama, you know say that I go on?
Mother instinct.
Mother's instinct. Oh,
Anyway, nevertheless, me didn't know. I didn't know.
oh, you didn't know. Oh, you didn't know. Oh, you didn't know.
No, worry yourself.
Then me don't want to know. You
Me
didn't know.
know. Me know.
Oh, you know.
And then Johnny and bother with me much again.
Because sometimes you come for me.
Remember, I see you with
She and the top come on my roof and Jay about
Don't worry
15
yourself.
months.
Man. Don't worry
I
yourself.
know what you're talking
I know.
That has nothing to do with Johnny and something. That has nothing to do with Nene.
I know.
Because Nene still
I
it's
know.
up on me when she ready.
I know, Sika.
And then just turn woman.
Me know.
Oh, you know. You know everything. I can't tell me how you know.
Me not supposed to know as a mother.
You're supposed to know as a mother.
Yes, so yeah, Tommy.
But if you didn't know, you never say it to me.
Because me never really want. Wait, you know me say something to you when you and
Yeah, but that was that was before. But because you this, I'm not getting any more titty. If I did that time, but I never did it.
True, monsieur. Yeah, so you want to send her around?
Oh yeah, but then the time me just want to send her around.
Yeah, anyway.
I don't never have every time. Me just
Anyway,
want to send her around.
Yeah, I know, Sika, I know. Granny knows.
Granny knows.
So,
Granny knows nothing. Yeah, but she thought it was a prank. Because we pranked you guys the last time.
Well, that one you never.
Oh, you know it's a prank again.
It's a prank.
Why? Oh, you know that.
It is not prank.
Oh, you know it's a prank. Oh, you know it's a prank.
It's not a prank, Sika.
Why? Nobody.
Body.
Oh, you know it's a prank.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Yeah, leave it alone.
I'm not married.
It don't have money here. Why?
This is low. You said up for like the money?
Whoa. I always said I wanted 4K when I was growing up. That's why there's not going to be another time yet about the next time you ever say something. You know, I no more opportunity to say nothing. So the next time you ever say something. No more opportunity now already for you to say something.
No more girls.
Same thing.
I can date somebody to hang on to. Really? I'm telling you.
Yeah, 3 girls to protect if that would be the case. You would have 3 girls to protect.